What is the process to transfer money from Cashapp to PayPal?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about how to transfer money from Cashapp to PayPal. This is an often requested topic, and we will make it simple for you. So, let's get started.
Why direct transfer isn't possible?
It's important to understand that directly transferring money between Cashapp and PayPal is not currently possible. This is because these are two separate platforms, and they don't offer the ability to send money directly between them. But don't worry, there's a workaround we can use.
The workaround, bank transfer.
To move your money from Cashapp to PayPal, we will need to use a common bank account as a bridge. You will need to have both your Cashapp and PayPal accounts linked to the same bank account. If you haven't done this yet, it's a straightforward process. You simply go into the settings for each app and follow the prompts to link a bank account. Step 1. Transfer from Cashapp to your bank account. Once your bank account is linked to your Cashapp, you can transfer the money from Cashapp to your bank account. 1. Open your Cashapp. 2. Tap on the Balance tab in the bottom left corner. 3. Press on Cash Out. 4. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm. The money should be in your bank account instantly if you use the instant transfer feature, but this may come with a small fee. If you opt for the standard transfer, it could take 1 to 3 business days. Step 2. Transfer from your bank account to PayPal now. Let's move that money from your bank account to your PayPal account. 1. Open your PayPal app. 2. Tap on your balance on the home screen. 3. Then tap on Add Money. 4. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from your bank account. 5. Review the transaction and tap Add. Again, standard transfers can take 1 to 3 business days, but there is an instant transfer option available for a fee.
Considerations and limitations.
Remember that both Cashapp and PayPal may have limits on how much money you can transfer at a time or within a certain period. Also, fees may apply for instant transfers, so consider these factors as you plan your transactions. That's it. Although there's no direct method, you can successfully transfer money from Cashapp to PayPal using your linked bank account. Remember, while this method does work, it's essential to be aware of potential fees and transfer times. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other finance app questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.